So most teams now are doing all of their engineering notebooks online, and the most events are requiring their engineering notebooks to be submitted electronically. So I want to go through real quickly how you would do that. The first thing I would recommend, and I do this early rather than later, might even be too late for many of you, is go to, have your teams go to a search engine and type in RECF notebook templates and go to this VEX digital notebook templates. Because they have these wonderful templates that you can download to get started, and it gives you a good framework to work from. I really like using Google PowerPoint or Google Slides rather. That's recommended here. And so let's say this was my team here. I would click this. It goes here. You do need a Google account to do this. Make a copy of it. And then you'll wait for it to come up and you'll have them, I mean, this is really stuff you'd have the students do, and have them rename it. I'm going to rename this one real quick. So I'll click on this and type in, oops, I thought it would delete everything and it didn't. I type in something like Team 4330V Engineering Notebook. And then maybe even put high stakes in there if you are doing this for 2023, 24, the name of the game. Now, they have a change log in here. You'll have to have them delete that. They have several different opening pages you can choose, you know, covers, so to speak. You pick the one you want. You know, they can pick the one they want. Here's some links they have, which is nice to help them, give them some advice. Then the real first thing that you would have in the notebook would be your table of contents. I strongly recommend you have them on their very first page. Put in something like information for Innovate Award. And I'll tell you why in just a second. This will become obvious once I show you how you do this. And you should have them put in a aspect. They're going to define an aspect of their robot that they want to be considered for Innovate, and then they want to describe it. And you'll have them write that up. And then also put in relevant pages / sections. So that when the judges go into here, they'll know where to find those things. But here's the thing. When you actually, well, okay, I'll explain why you do that. There's also a lot of great stuff in here. These templates are pretty good. They have some images of things like controllers and fields and some of the gears and so forth. They have a whole calendar in here. Again, the students need to decide which of this they want to use, but I definitely would have them make the file, name it well, and definitely put in their first page here, the information for the Innovate Award. Clearly what you're going to want them to do once they get it all made up is you want it to share. And what you'll do is you'll change this from restricted to anyone with link. Okay. Make sure it stays as viewer. You don't want everybody changing it. And then you'll copy that link. All right. So once you've got that done, they did that for you. They set that up. You know where all that stuff is. You are actually going to, as the coach, make this available to all the EPs. Every event you go to that you registered them for now, they will automatically have the link. So you'll log in to your REC Robot Events account. Oh, wait, I did that wrong. I can't even remember my own password, login here. And I got to put in my password. Okay, and log in there. And the first thing that happens when you log in is it takes you to the page with all your teams listed. So like here's 4330V, and right here, over here on the right-hand side where my cursor is, Digital Engineering Notebook. You want to click that. And right here under the URL, you want to paste that link that you'd copied. Now, here's why I said it was so important for you to have that first page of the notebook set up with that Innovate Award information, because you have to enter this as the coach. The students can't get in and do it. You have to do this for them. And it says, submit the team's description of the Innovate aspect. Well, so you can go back into their file here and you can copy this information here, the aspect and the description, and then you can paste that here. And then you can go to where they have relevant pages and sections, copy that, and you can paste that here. And then you just click save and you're done. So that's the way to share the engineering notebook. I know there's a little bit of a diversion about the template, but whatever way you do it, do be aware. You're going to need the link that is shareable, that anybody can use. You're going to need to know the description of their aspect for the Innovate Award, and you're going to need to know where the information can be found about that award in the notebook. Once you've got all that, you paste it in and you're good to go. I hope this was helpful.